Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your profile photo private on Telegram. Whether you want extra privacy or just prefer to control who sees your picture, this simple guide will help you do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen, look to the top corner and tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might look like 3 horizontal lines or your own profile picture. Once you tap it, a menu will open with several options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize many parts of your Telegram experience, from notifications and chat backgrounds to privacy settings. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security. This section controls everything about how your personal information is shared with others on the app. Now, find and tap the option labeled Phone Number. This is the key setting that manages who can see your number, and it's directly connected to your overall privacy, including your profile photo visibility. Once you're in the phone number section, you'll see options like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To make your profile photo completely private so no one can see it, choose Nobody. This ensures your profile picture and number stay hidden from everyone on Telegram, including people who might try to find you through your contact details. It's the most secure choice if you value full privacy. After selecting Nobody, Telegram may ask whether you want to add exceptions, such as allowing specific people to still see your information. You can skip this part if you don't want exceptions, or use it if there are close friends or family who should still have access. Once you're done, your new privacy settings are automatically saved. You don't need to press any other buttons. Just return to your main chat screen, and that's it, your profile photo is now private. Keeping your Telegram account secure and personal is easy when you know where to look. By adjusting a few simple settings, you're fully in control of your visibility and privacy.